Hello everybody, welcome to another video. A video full of volume and big hair. I know it's a struggle sometimes to add that extra volume on the hair, especially if you have fine type of hair. My name is John and I'm a professional hairstylist, and today I'm going to share with you tips which actually works so you can get the maximum out of your hair. So let's don't waste any time and let's get into it straight away. Tip number 1. Everything is starting from washing the hair. So using the right shampoo and condition is going to be a key to add that extra volume on the hair. Usually, shampoo they are designed for volume hair, they contain more protein, so they give more strength to your hair, which is essential to keep and add volume on the hair. Also, the condition and the shampoos, they don't have too many oils, because the oils, it makes the hair feels very sleek and heavy, so it doesn't help if we want to give that extra lift. And also to mention, we never apply the condition on the roots. It's gonna make the hair looks or feel greasy and we don't get any benefit of it. No matter what conditioner we're using or any moisturizing products, we always use it from the middle and ends on the hair. And let's move now to the tip number 2, and it's all about choosing the right products. Thankfully, nowadays we have a massive range of products, either as a pre-styling or after styling products. I will show you here, I have with me some of my favorite products, which actually I'm using on my hair as well. For pre-styling products, basically products you use it before you blow dry your hair, when your hair is wet, is a sea salt, which as you can see, I've used already quite a lot of it. It's really nice because it gives a nice texture and it gives nice volume on the hair and good holding. But also, you can use, again from Fudge, I love Fudge when it comes to the volume, they have really nice products, is the Push It Up spray from Fudge. It's really good. Again, this one is you can apply it on the roots, you spray it and then you blow dry your hair if you want to, or you just dry your hair. It's a little bit stronger, and again is in a spray version. Really nice products. I will avoid mousse. I don't really like mousse, it makes the hair feel too crispy. So yeah, my favorite products usually is the push up spray, like something like a volumized spray, or a sea salt if you want something a little bit lighter. And then, as a finishing, you can use, of course, dry shampoo, it works perfectly fine. Or you can use a texturizing spray, again from Fudge, it's really nice. Again, it's a spray version, quite light, it gives a nice texture on the hair. If you want to have that matte, kind of like natural finishing looking, and also keep really nice volume on the hair. And after, I have from Schwarzkopf a really nice powder, which probably I'm sure you've seen it quite a lot. Again, as you can see, it's like a snow. You apply it again on the roots, you massage the scalp, and it gives that extra volume on the hair. So yeah, as you can see, we have plenty of options when it comes to the products, and it's down to you, depending on the holding you want and what type of products do you like to use. If you like something before you blow dry your hair or after, or if you want something with a strong holding or not too much holding. I will have on the description box some of the products, the links, so you can have a look and have a little bit better idea about the products. And let's move to the tip number 3. Tip number 3 is drying the hair the correct way. The best way is bring your head opposite side down and dry the hair this way. Once the hair is dry, just bring them back to the straight position. Then you will see a wonderful volume coming through the roots. Is that because we dry the hair away from the roots, and it's there where the volume comes from. Try it and believe me, the results are impressive. Also, during the day, once the hair is dry, what we can do, again, put the hair upside down, massage a little bit the scalp and bring the hair back. We will see the volume, it comes up again on the hair. is on random in every woman's toilet, probably you've seen it. The girls, you just bring your hair opposite side down, you messing the hair and bring them back. It's because it gives that extra volume. And now, let's move to the styling. Styling is a big part as well of adding an extra volume on the hair. If you want to blow dry your hair, the best choices is wavy or curly hair. Usually, these type of styles always give much more volume on the hair. And again, you can backcomb the hair for an extra volume, but I will slightly avoid it unless it's really necessary, since it's not really healthy for the hair. Since we're talking about styling, our next tip, number 4, is about parting the hair. Having a side parting from any direction, it gives much more volume. It's because more hair, they're going to one direction. From the other hand, I will avoid a middle parting. It's because we separate the hair evenly in both sides, that as a result makes the hair looks more flat and more sleek. And let's move now to the final tip, tip number 5, and I think is one of the most important, is to choose the right haircut for the right type of the hair so we can get the maximum volume. For example, if we have a fine type of hair, ideal is to cut the hair a little bit shorter, either in a lob length around the shoulders or either a bob, depending how fine the hair is. And from there we can choose if we want to have it as a one length or even add some soft layers so we can get a little bit more texture. Having the hair a little bit shorter always makes the hair look thicker so we can get a little bit more volume. But if your hair is really thick, you can keep the length. In that case, because the hair is very thick, that means they are very heavy, so it's very difficult to get the volume from the roots. In that way, the best thing we can do is add some layers on the top of the crown. That way, we make the hair on the top be a bit lighter with the layers, and as a result we have more volume on the top. It's much easier the volume to come through. I will avoid having a layers in the perimeter of the length. In that way it's not gonna give any volume on the top. The only thing it's going to do is to make the perimeter looks much thinner. Same for the fringe. Having a fringe always is going to add more volume, especially on the front area. Here I need to say, you don't need to go too crazy with a really short fringe. I wouldn't recommend it either anyway. I will say a length between the nose down to the chin, it will be perfect. Short enough to add volume on the hair, but at the same time versatile enough for your everyday life. For example, you can play side to the side, you can put it behind of the ear, you can either put in a ponytail, and of course you can leave it straight or wavy, depending your preference. And of course, out there is many different type of fringe where you can choose for, depending your personal style and what suits you best. And somewhere here I will have a link where I have another video where I explain what's the best hairstyles based on your face shape. So that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please thumbs up, and any questions, feel free to comment below. I will be more than happy to answer any questions you might have or anything else. Again, thanks for watching, and I will see you on the next video. And please don't forget to subscribe. It helps me a lot to keep making videos for you. Thank you. Bye bye.